Start.
Yeah, good evening, students. Today we are going to take a practical example as how to handle this managerial remuneration profits, because sometimes theoretical understanding may not help. So I thought of to have a question and then to explain the students how to calculate the profit and subsequently 11% of those profits. So let's look at a question which I have written on the board for your understanding. See, this is the question whereby we are saying that the gross profit is already calculated and this is 3,50,000. Subsidy from the government is 40,000 and there is a profit on sale of plant. Remember, this was an issue which I wanted to discuss earlier with you. We discussed it in detail in my last lecture. Now practical understanding of that. 30,000 total comes out to be 4,20,000. Expenses are advertisement expenses, staff salaries and bonus, development rebate reserve, income tax, tax on abnormal profits, managerial remuneration, provision for depreciation and net profits. Now we have two aspects. This is called a net profit, this is called a gross profit. So if we move from the gross profit to identify what is to be added and what not is to be added, let's understand. In our last lecture we discussed that gross profit plus subsidy from the government will be a part of this, but any profit on sale of plant would be calculated with a rule. What was that rule? That identify that how at what price this machinery was sold. Identify the profit on the sale of plant is 30,000. WDV of the plant is 1,10,000. It means the profit is 30, WDV is 110. It means the sale made was 1,40,000. 110 plus 30,000, the total amount is 140. How much will be capital profit and how much will be revenue profit or operating profit? Any profit till the cost of the plant. Like WDV is 110, cost is 120, so 10,000 will be operating and 140 minus 120, 20,000 will be capital profit. So when we will be calculating profit, we will be calculating this 10,000 as an operating profit. So if I am going to calculate, I will say GP is equal to 3,50,000 plus subsidy, that is called plus subsidy, that is 40,000 plus profit from sale of plant. That is how much? 10,000. How did we calculate 10,000? I think we have understood. Again, difference between the two is 10,000. So I picked only 10,000 because this is the depreciation which has been taken into the profits earlier. This 20,000 will be the capital profit. So the total profit for the calculation is 3 plus 50 plus 40 plus 10. That is called 4 lakh. Now what kind of expenses would be deducted? We all know advertisement expenses or administration expenses will be taken care. That will be a part of deduction. Staff salary and bonus, yes, because staff salary is an operating expense, will be deducted. Now this is development rebate reserve. This is not a expense, this is a reserve, so it is not an operating one, so this will not be deducted. To income tax, no, not at all. Income tax will be calculated once we pay off managerial remuneration to the directors, and after that we will be able to calculate the tax. So this will also not be deducted. Yes, to tax on abnormal profits. Yes, this is some kind of abnormal profits we had. So on that abnormal profits, the tax is there. We will be deducting it. Managerial remuneration, of course, this for whole of the exercises for calculating this. So this will also not be deducted. Provision for depreciation, definitely depreciation is a part, this is also deducted. So identifying our expenses, number one, administration expenses, that is 80,400. Then staff salaries, this is 30,000. Then this not tax on abnormal profits, yes, tax on abnormal profits, this is called 2,000. And then provision for depreciation, this is called 60,000. So 80 plus 30, 110, 110 plus 2, 112, 112 plus 60, 172, 400 is the total expenses. So deducting it from here, 172, 400. So how much we are going to have it? 4, 6, 1, 7, 8 and 2, and this is 2,27,600. And if I want to calculate the managerial remuneration, total 11% of 2,27,600, it means 227,600 into 11 upon 100. This is before charging, and if it is be after charging, as per the rule, it would be 11 upon 111. That is called 111. So with this way we can understand how we can reach the profits required for the calculation of the managerial remuneration. If there happens to be any kind of the additional adjustments to be done, understand that those adjustments would be form a part of this. So make sure that expenses should be of the relating year, not of the last year or not of the future. So I hope this question would help you to have a better understanding of this managerial remuneration, especially how to calculate profits. Thank you very much.